Hello, lovely Dylusionists. Come into the studio. It's the 12th day. This is a series I've been making a card every day, the 12 cards of Christmas, and today is day 12. Doop, 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 doop. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me, I don't know, the quickest card in Dylusions history. I don't know. I thought we'd do a quick one today. So we're back on to the collage sheets, Christmas set 2, okay? And, oh, my phone's pinging again. Sorry, I forgot to turn it off. There we go. And in here, these are what I was going to show you. You have these ready-made things. Can you see? So we've got 6 of the full pages. We've got 2 like little backgrounds. These were full-size journal pages that I did, and I shrunk them down so you could use them really, really quickly. So I'm going to make something with those. They come in the small as well, but I'm going to use the large. And as usual, I have lots of them cut out ready in my little boxes. This is how I keep things. Which box? This box. They're in this box here. Okay, so I have the pile because I'm very organised. I'm always organised. So that's a pile of large words. Let me just push those under there. There we go. And then here is a pile of the ready. So these are already cut out, obviously. I'm going to use a 6x6 card, and let me find, there we go. I want one of these. Perfect. So one of those is going to go on. Oh, it's just not quite big enough. I might just put a little border of paint round to get round that, and I'm going to fold it over at the back like so. And then what else? See, this one is smaller. But anyway, so for example, say we've got this. Oh, look, see, that one's fitting. That's why I was looking for another one, because it depends how I've cut them out. That one is fitting perfectly. Marvellous. And then you could use, well, I could use that. And then I could maybe put, but that's a little bit small. But can you see, that's cut a bit shorter, but you can always take one of these and add something on. So I could do that, or I could add one. I could add one of these. I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's glue this on first. And because at the moment I can see all of it and I only want to see a bit of it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get the glue stick. I'm not going to glue, which way is it? That way. I'm not going to glue all of it to start with. And then I'll make my mind up. You'd think I'd know what I was doing. What I do is I just have a think to myself. I think, this is what I quite fancy. Will it work? Oh, is that... Check it's the right way up. Oh my goodness me. Let's have it about there. That looks straight. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to glue the back. And I'm going to fold it over the back. And I showed you this on an earlier card. I just think they look quite cool like that. So let's fold that over the back. There we go. We can see a bit better now because we've got less, excuse me, less of the trees showing. So I could pop. See, that's quite cool, and I can bring that further down. So I could use that. That looks quite cool. We could put, see, any of these would work. See, we could put this on. I'm just going through a few just to show you how it all works together. This one would look good as well. That's a cool one. That is a very cool one for there. We have more trees. So we've got trees and trees. Can you see how they all work? And so it will just be a matter of choosing which one. You see the blue goes. So it's just a case of deciding which one I would like to put on there. For speed, I would just use one. If I've got a little bit more time, I would take... And I mean, I can even have it right over there, but I do like it with a little gap, like so. So there you go. You can sort of play around with them. I'm going to go for speed. So I think I'm just going to put one of the ready-made on. I'm really liking that black. Because I think it's because it's picking up the green, but then so is that one. It's picking up the green. So this is the decisions. It's decisions, which, you know, let's look for a word and then we can have a little decide. So what have I got here? That's a bigger one. That should be over the other side. I have the little ho ho ho. I've got the shine. I can't remember what I've used now in all the others. I've got flurry, ho ho ho, flurry, Santa, bar, no. Shine. How would we put it that way? Isn't it funny? You see, because I've stopped to think about it. Normally I would just go ahead. Well, normally I would make both of them. I would make all of them, to be honest. But shine. Oh, quite like that. It's just a bit different, isn't it? Not all that. Or do I make two? Maybe I make two today. Maybe I do both of them. Let me see. Have I got a spare card? If I have a spare card, I'll make two. Yes! There we go. That will solve that. So that's going to be one of them. So let's do it slightly different then. So let's use some of the backing. They've all just fallen off. Let's use some of the smaller backing. They're quite nice. Oh, they've got the hexagons, but it's going to be lost because you're not going to see the actual hexagon shape there. So let us go for this one. I'll go for that one. Okay, so these are the smaller version. Yeah. So that way. Have it that way. Okay. So I'm gluing up here. La, 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 da, da, da. When in doubt, make them both. Yes, that's rather nice. Let's press that down. Let's trim this away. Trim, trim away, trim, trim away, trim, trim away. I might tear the back actually. Let's tear it. Just for something a little different. Have a torn edge on the back there. So that's that card. And then we'll go to this one. So I think I'm going to position that there. I'm going to have this come in lower down there. And then I'm going to have shine. across there. Okay, here we go. So 2 cards for the price of 1, and they're still going to be quick. They're still going to be quick. Well, you know what I'm like once I start doodling. I'll try to keep it quick. So if we have that, again, slightly higher up the card than the bottom. And then let's pull this down. So what I want is, there we go, I want it to sort of cover a bit, but it's joining, it's bridging the gap of the two. Then we can add a bit. If I shine that way, we get rid of the reindeer. I could shine this way, but it's clashing a little bit with the Murray. So I think I want shine up there. Shine, shine like a star, like the star that you are. And I just want it a little bit higher, so we've got these different heights going on. Fabulous. And then let's come to this one and see what we want to do on this one. Hey, does this mean I'm actually going to get a card out of all this? Do you like the black? Do you like the black on there? No, no. I think it's this one. I think it's going to be this one. So let's glue it. How easy is this? I've done all the work for you. These are fabulous in your journal pages, in your dialogues, in your, I don't know, your Hobonichis, whatever, because they're ready done and you can still alter them and make them your own. I could be right over here like this, but I just think I'm going to come to the left a bit, like so. Shine, shine like a star. And I don't know if I actually need, I don't think I need a word on here. I think I'm going to do something around there. So, okay, let's get doodling, doodling. I wanna get doodling. Dee, 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 dee. Okay, so my usual outline of everything. Dee, 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 dee. Are you ready? Well, if you're not, it's going to be tough, isn't it? Oh dear. I might start getting my cards ready for next year. I always leave it too late. Busy, busy teaching and doing. Okay, and then I think I'm going to do a little running stitch up here. And I think that's it on that one. I'm not going to do anything else. Actually, she says, I'm going to do a long stitch and a dot on here. There we go. That's that one done. Oh, the back. I'll do the matching running stitch just on the back. Okay, I'll let that dry there. Let's go into this one. So with this one, I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to go round the big bump, little bump. Last year I got some cards that were shaped like this on the edge. They were adorable. They were just ready-made. I don't even know where I picked them up, and they weren't expensive. I've never been able to find them again, but they just matched my big bump, little bump perfectly. I'm thinking I might do another series of cards. I might do the cake. You know, I did all the cake and teacups. I might do a series with that. I'm not promising because I say these rash things and then I'm like, oh. But yeah, that might be quite nice to do. I think on this one, I'm going to do that same decoration, but around the edge of the card this time. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. Again, if you go onto the Facebook page, go onto the Dylusions Facebook, Diana Evelyn Dylusions Facebook page, leave a comment, press a like, and share the video, and you will be in have a chance of winning one of the cards. Every day, you know, Emmy, now we've got this done, she'll probably leave it, let her get Christmas out of the way, and then she will pick some winners and she will put the names on the Facebook page, and then if you just email her with your address, and I will sign them and we'll get them sent out to you. So I think I am going to write up here on this one, Merry Christmas. Little dots on my writing. There we go. You can't get easier than that, can you? So there's the last two cards. You've got 2 for the price of 1 on day 12. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll think about another series. Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.